Today I'm going to show you the platform that's replacing entire tech stacks for over 529,000 businesses. HighLevel is generating $9 billion in revenue for agencies and businesses right now, and I'm giving you a free 30-day trial so you can test it yourself and see why everyone's switching to this. If you're paying for multiple marketing tools, this could save you hundreds of dollars per month and actually give you more features than you have now. Hey there, so if you couldn't already tell, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy running Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, I've got a free 30-day trial of HighLevel waiting for you in the description. You're also going to get my 4-part AI fast-track training completely free that shows you exactly how to land high-paying clients with this platform. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. HighLevel is the all-in-one platform that's literally replacing entire tech stacks for agencies worldwide. Think about all the tools you're paying for right now: CRM, email marketing, SMS, funnel builder, website builder, appointment scheduling, workflow automation, reputation management, phone system. HighLevel does all of it in one platform. And we're not talking about some startup. According to BuiltWith, HighLevel is the #1 marketing automation software in the world by usage. It powers over 529,000 websites. It supports more than 2 million businesses. It processes 1.6 billion messages per month. This platform has helped businesses generate over $9 billion in revenue. This is the real deal. And the best part, you can test all of this for free for 30 days. No credit card required. The link is in the description. Let me show you exactly what you're getting access to. The CRM is incredibly powerful: unlimited contacts, full conversation history across every channel, notes, tasks, team assignments. But what makes it special is the unified inbox pulling in everything: phone, SMS, Google Chat, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, even Google and Facebook reviews. You manage your entire business communication from one dashboard. This alone is worth the price. The funnel and website builder is drag and drop with professional templates for every industry. They just launched an AI-powered builder where you tell it your niche and goals, and it generates complete professional funnels in minutes. Not basic templates. Complete funnels with copy, design, everything. Import inspiration from any website or image, and the AI recreates the style. Built-in SEO automatically creates titles, descriptions, and optimizes your pages. This is insane. The automation workflows are where this platform really shines. Visual workflow builder, drag and drop triggers and actions. Someone fills out a form, automatically send email, wait 2 days, send SMS, wait 3 days, assign to sales rep, build entire multi-channel campaigns that run 24/7 without you touching anything. This is how you scale to 50, 100, 200 clients without losing your mind. Email and SMS marketing is unlimited with two-way texting. The killer feature is missed call, text back. Someone calls and you don't answer, the system automatically texts them so you don't lose the lead. Appointment scheduling with automated reminders. Reputation management that automatically requests reviews and routes negative feedback privately. Lead connector phone system built right in. Every single feature is enterprise grade. Tools that would cost thousands if you bought them separately. Now this is where it gets absolutely wild. The AI Employee Suite is legitimately the future of how businesses operate. Voice AI is a full AI receptionist answering your phone 24/7. It qualifies leads, answers questions, and books appointments. While you're sleeping, eating, working with other clients, this AI is handling calls and booking you money. It handles unlimited calls simultaneously. Think about what that would cost with human employees. Conversation AI is an AI chatbot working across your website live chat, SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp. Train it on your FAQs, knowledge base, your content. 3 modes: off for training, suggestive where it writes responses you can approve, or full autopilot handling everything automatically. It has full conversations with leads and books appointments, asks about their needs, budget, timeline, checks your calendar, books the appointment, sends confirmations, all while you're doing anything else. They just added image recognition so it responds to images in chat. Reviews AI automatically responds to every review. Content AI creates social media posts, email campaigns, blogs, website copy. Funnel AI builds entire sales funnels based on your business. Email Builder has AI that analyzes when contacts open emails and sends at optimal times for maximum engagement. You're hiring an entire team of AI employees for less than minimum wage for a single part-time worker. And with the free 30-day trial, you get full access to test all of this. Set up the voice AI, let it answer calls for a week. You'll see exactly how powerful this is. Link in the description. Now, before I keep going, if you're already thinking this could replace some of the tools you're paying for right now, go grab that free 30-day trial. The link is in the description. You can literally cancel all your other subscriptions, move everything to HighLevel for 30 days completely free, and see if it works for you. Zero risk. And while you're at it, drop a comment below telling me what tools you're using right now that HighLevel could replace. I read every comment and I'll tell you exactly how to set it up. Also, hit that subscribe button because I drop videos like this every week showing you how to actually make money with AI tools. The free trial also comes with my 4-part AI fast track training that shows you the exact system I use to land high-paying clients with HighLevel, plus access to our community of over 21,000 agency owners. Everything is in the description. Let me tell you why people are obsessed with this platform. The consolidation alone is insane. You're replacing CRM, email marketing, SMS, funnel builders, website builders, appointment scheduling, phone systems, reputation management, all of it. Most agencies spend $300 to $500 per month across these tools. HighLevel does everything for $97 to $297 per month. That's massive savings. But here's where it gets even better. Flat pricing means unlimited contacts, unlimited users. Most CRMs charge per contact. With HighLevel, you could have 10,000 or 100,000 contacts and pay the same price. Huge when you're scaling. The white label capabilities are a game changer. Rebrand this entire platform as your own software. Your logo, your colors, your branding. Sell it to clients for $99 to $297 per month. You're paying $97 or $297 for unlimited clients, charging each client $99 to $297. The margins are incredible. The automation is next level. Build workflows that run your entire customer journey on autopilot, from form fills to appointments to follow-ups to review requests. Everything happens automatically. This is how you scale without burning out. The unified inbox saves massive time. All conversations from SMS, email, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google Chat in one place. No switching between 6 different apps. Respond to every customer from one dashboard. The AI features are cutting edge. Voice AI answers phone calls 24/7. Conversation AI handles chat on your website, social media, SMS. You're getting a full-time customer service team that never sleeps for $97 a month. Think about what hiring even one person costs. Plus, you get access to a massive community of over 20,000 agency owners crushing it with HighLevel, training resources, support, marketplace of templates. It's not just software, it's an entire ecosystem. Look, no platform is perfect, so let me give you the real talk on the few minor things you should know. There's a learning curve. HighLevel has a ton of features, so when you first log in, it might feel like a lot. But here's the thing, they have a complete onboarding process, training videos, a boot camp, and a huge community to help you. Most people are up and running within a week. And honestly, if a platform this powerful was super simple, it wouldn't be replacing 10 other tools. There are usage costs for SMS and calls, but that's standard across every platform. The pricing is the same as Twilio, which is industry standard. And honestly, if you're doing your job right and landing clients, these costs are just cost of doing business and you pass them to your clients anyway. The AI employee is an extra $97 per month if you want unlimited usage. But think about it. You're getting AI that answers phones, handles chat, responds to reviews, creates content, all for less than what you'd pay one employee for a single day of work. Bottom line, these aren't real cons. These are just things to be aware of. And the value you get compared to these minor points, not even close. Here's the thing. You don't have to take my word for it. Test it yourself for free for 30 days and see the results with your own eyes. Marketing agencies, this is a no-brainer. The unlimited plan at $297 per month replaces tools you're paying $500+ per month for. ActiveCampaign, ClickFunnels, Calendly, phone system, reputation management software, all of it. Use the free trial to migrate one client over. Within a week, you'll see how much faster you deliver results and how much more you can offer. Before I got into online marketing, I was working as a mechanic, grinding every day, coming home exhausted. I knew there had to be a better way. When I started my agency, I was paying for 8 different tools: CRM, email, SMS, funnels, scheduling, all separate. My software costs were over $500 per month. When I found HighLevel, I didn't just buy it. I tested it first with a trial. I moved one client over to see if it actually worked. Within 2 weeks, I knew this was going to change everything. I canceled 6 subscriptions, saved over $300 per month, and I had more features than I did before. That's why I'm pushing you to use the free trial. Don't just watch this video and wonder if it'll work. Test it. Move one client. Set up one workflow. Use it for 2 weeks. Then decide. The free trial is how I validated this entire business model. It's how you should too. All right, here's what you need to do right now. Step 1, click the link in the description and start your free 30-day trial of HighLevel. You're not committing to anything, just testing it. Step 2, Download my free 4-part AI fast track training that comes with the trial. This walks you through exactly how to set up HighLevel, land clients, and charge them. You also get access to our community of over 21,000 agency owners doing this right now. Step 3, spend your first week exploring the platform. Set up the CRM, build a simple funnel, create an automation workflow, get familiar with it. Step 4, week 2, migrate one client or part of your business to HighLevel. If you're paying for CRM, email platform, and funnel builder separately, move all 3 into HighLevel and see how it feels. Step 5, by week 3, you'll know if this works for you. If it does, keep it and cancel your other subscriptions. If it doesn't, cancel the trial. Either way, you tested it for free. This is how you make smart business decisions. You test, you validate, then you commit. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Go start your trial right now while you're thinking about it. Drop a comment below telling me what you're going to test first. The real Nick reads every comment and will help you get set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside HighLevel.